Hi, I am the product of many different nationalities, and this blend allows me the privilege of tapping into a lot of the wisdom that I believe is forgotten and that must be brought into the current timeline that we are living. Because across this timeline, we seem to have forgotten the richness and the value of silence. And while there are so many systems at play that influence our senses, we are currently undergoing a sense overload that numbs us to the degree that we are unable to get in touch with the silence and the spaciousness that resides inside all of us. And so I would like to treat this message as an invitation for us to think about many of these age old ancient practices. One simple example could be simply placing our devices down and going outside, or walking barefoot on soil, on the ground, on earth. And while there are so many other practices, these are ways for us to continue to anchor inside of ourselves, but also be deeply in touch with nature. We know that nature is one of the most powerful ways to solution many of the man-made problems and challenges that we are experiencing in this current timeline. So I would like to invite you to think about all of these seemingly easy but simple practices that you and I can touch base with to build on this very powerful presence of being in harmony with ourselves, trusting our intuition, getting comfortable with the sounds of silence. And I wish you a spectacular day. Bye.